Let us also pray for the Igbo people to leave Lagos. Yeah, Igbo people, please leave Lagos as fast as you can and start establishing in your places like Enugu, Anambra, and Imo State. All the Igbos try to leave Lagos for good. Divide your market into places, because as I'm talking to you, there is an evil plan. There is a market. I won't mention the market's name. Please, there is a market that is going to burn down. Nobody will take away a penny from that shop. That place will burn down in Lagos big market. I'm not going to call the name, but I saw a market. This thing being planted is against the Igbo dominating that market in Lagos. I don't know the market. I'm not going to say it. I'm going to keep it. The Igbo, the Lord said, go back to your state and establish your state. The Lord said, go back to your state and build your state. Do your business in your state. Are you understanding what I'm saying? Do not do it in another man's soil, because soon enough, you will start seeing what we call a tribal challenges in Nigeria, and it will happen in Lagos. A tribal challenge, which have to do with shop issues. Well, why will Yoruba people lock the shop and said Igbo is this, Igbo is that, blah, 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 blah. And why would they want to kill this Igbo man? Because he did a business and he paid money and whatever transaction it could be, I don't care to know. But why would they kill this Igbo man? That's the second part. The third part, why would they plan to set the place on fire? Where if they put up the fire, it's not one shop burning. You see a lot of big fire everywhere. So what would happen? So the Lord is saying, tell the Igbos to go back to their hometown. If you can quietly pack to your hometown, share your shop into two. Open a shop in Imo State if you're from there, or from Anambra State, Abakaliki, Enugu State. Share it into two. Put some of your parts in back home. Some of you there, oh, don't mind what he's saying. Don't worry, it will come. And when it comes, then you have lost your millions of naira. Then your eyes will be open. For now, you can doubt me. I love when people doubt me. I love it when people doubt me, because when they doubt me, it comes to pass. So please doubt me, so that I can say prophecy, confirmation. So I saw this fire, a very mighty fire. This fire is not in the shop. Listen, this fire is not one shop. Not one shop. When the flame starts, it will start like an electric spark. It is going to move. Vroom, 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 flame. So it is not a mistaken fire. It is a deliberate fire. It is electric. It's not electric. They will not put this fuel on top of the house, on top of the shop. They will put it surrounding the shop, and they will divert the attention of the securities, and this fire will flame up. I'm not saying it for it to sweet. It's one of the biggest markets. You see, when they opened the market in Lagos, one of the biggest markets in Lagos, everybody was happy they've opened the market. The plans of the evil is there, because when they open this market, they will burn the other market. So people will not come to this market. They will now burn this market and try to build new markets. So you see how they will be diminishing the economy of the Igbos. I'm not tribalistic. I'm not from the Yoruba. I'm not from the Igbo. I'm from Nigeria, and I'm from Rivers State. Are you understanding me? I will not favor Igbo and favor Yoruba, or I will favor everybody. But the Igbos, I don't know who is attacking you. Wherever you think it is, that's your business. Go back home and establish your businesses. That's what the Lord is saying. It's going to be so bad. It's going to be so bad. I saw people wants to get into the fire because of their property was also burned. So when you see them, they get into the fire. They say, kill me, let the fire kill. Are You understand what I'm saying? Let the fire burn me. You see people crying that they are owing goods of millions of naira. You're going to even see somebody saying he's owing 2 point something billion and it hasn't paid. So you see goods being burnt down. I'm not saying it for you to no. It's your stubbornness that will disobey you, not me. So I'm only just a messenger. So pray concerning it. It's a very big market. I won't mention the name. Never will I mention the name. Nah. I'm not going to mention. So let's put that in prayer.